Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make real money on Monopoly Go. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're wondering how to exactly make real money inside Monopoly Go or through the use of your Monopoly Go account here, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, as you can see, I'm currently playing Monopoly Go in my PC, and we have this what we call currencies or money or dollars that you can spend inside the game. But the thing with this one, these are just currencies that is spendable inside the game. So you use this usually to upgrade or fix your buildings here, just in case someone attacks you. You use that to fix or upgrade your structures. Now the thing with this one is you won't have any option to cash them out. Now it's only, or you can only use these money to upgrade structures or for game purposes only. So, with that case, how do we exactly make money through Monopoly Go? Now, making money in Monopoly Go is kind of complicated because, again, Monopoly Go is a game, and at that is a free game that you can play online. But if you plan on making money, just be careful and do this at your own risk. Now, the first way for you to start earning inside or through Monopoly Go here is through the use of what we call selling Monopoly accounts. Now, if you're not aware yet, there are a lot of platforms out there that allows you to sell your Monopoly Go account, and basically there are some people who actually buy Monopoly Go accounts for a hobby. So just in case, let's go open up one of the options that we can see in here. If you try searching sell Monopoly account here, you have this website here. Now, typically, it will require you to basically create an account through their platform and basically filling out some details about yourself, like the username, the password for your account here, and a bunch of setting up in here. Now, obviously, you may need to create your own profile here. So if you plan on setting multiple profiles inside that platform, in this case, you may need to further fill out some details, like what's the current level of your account and what's the current progress or the board progress here, and whatsoever, and what type of tokens you currently have. Now, depending on how much you progressed your account, like for example, you have a lot of, let's just say, a lot of tokens that you could use in your account, and you have a lot of cards that people are currently looking for in that account, well, you can sell them for more. Now, there are other ways here, or other platforms that you could use as well to sell your Monopoly Go account here. Like, for example, this platform here. Now, this platform allows you to sell Monopoly Go accounts. As you can see right now, this is the marketplace where people are currently selling their Monopoly Go accounts. Now, there are options here on buying dice as well through that platform, but I'll be discussing that later on. But yeah, so in this case, you should be able to see different options on buying Monopoly Go accounts. Now, like what I said, you can also buy like certain dice for your Monopoly Go account. But the thing with this one is there's a whole setup for this one, so I'm not yet that familiar. But there are people who are able to sell dice, and basically release dice through Monopoly Go accounts. Now, obviously, you could go and set this up yourself, but just be aware you may need, or it requires like technical knowledge, even like some sort of knowledge in IT in order for you to set that up. So the easiest way for you to sell or gain or earn money through Monopoly Go is by setting your account in here. Now, currently there are other platforms as well, like for example, in platforms like Reddit or even on Facebook here, they even like sell Monopoly Go accounts if you want to sell them. And obviously there are different platforms as well where you can sell your Monopoly Go account. It just depends on which platform you want to use. That what platform you want to use in selling your Monopoly Go accounts. But yeah, so currently this is the only way for you to start selling or start earning money through Monopoly Go. Because again, it's quite limited because Monopoly Go again is a free game that you can play online. So the only way for you to make money is by either selling your account or studying a bunch of things to sell dices. But that's a bit complicated and it might take weeks for you to set that up. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.